Hi guys, it's Sharika, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of our guest bathroom. I'm so excited to share this bathroom with you guys because it's a personal project for us. So now you guys can see a little bit of what our personal style is. The color palette for this bathroom is black and gray. We really wanted to give our guests a hotel feel. So we got rid of that tub, we have a stand-up shower, and a lot of cool details that even you can add to your own space at home. But before we get into the reveal, take a look at the before and some of the process and how we got to this bathroom. I thought you could just say bang, 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 bang. They show it on the TV. So here's the new guest bathroom. We can go ahead and start with the mirror, which is also one of my favorite things in this space, and something that you can also do at home. I would say ditch that builder-grade mirror and put in a full mirror. This definitely will give your bathroom a hotel feel. It makes the bathroom feel a lot wider, and it makes the space feel a lot taller. This is only an 8-foot bathroom, but because of the mirror, it feels so much taller. So for the bathroom vanity, we kept the 24-inch dimensions, but we changed out the cabinets to this beautiful gray wash cabinet, and the hardware is a matte black sleek handle. And for the granite, we went a little bit lighter just to add a little bit of contrast to the space. And we cannot forget this beautiful waterfall faucet. This faucet is super cool because it has great shape, it has a more artistic feel, and it adds a little edge to the bathroom as well. We updated this toilet to something a little bit more sleek that had a smaller shape so that it fits beautifully right between the vanity and this new stand-up shower. Let's get into the tile. So for the floor, we went with a smaller scale tile. I absolutely love mini hex, so we had to find a way to incorporate that into the design. We did a continuous mini hex that runs from the entry of the bathroom all the way through the shower, and we use a gray grout just so you can see the detail of that mini hex pattern. Now for the shower. So for the tile in the shower, we went with a black and gray that almost looks like a marble pattern, and we did this 12 by 24 tile in a vertical orientation. We did it in a vertical orientation so that it just adds to the length of the bathroom. And instead of going for a more brick pattern with the installation, we went for a continuous stacked pattern, which makes the bathroom look a lot more modern. So inside the shower, we did 2 stacked niches, which I absolutely love how we continued that mini hex pattern as a back detail of those niches. So in the shower, we did a rainfall shower head, which has a secondary attachment. So if you want to put both on, or if you want to put one or the other, you have that option. With the finish, we went with a matte black to tie in with our faucet and all of our other hardware in the bathroom. And I actually forgot to talk about the recessed lighting. By taking out the vanity lighting and adding recessed lighting, that's another great way to give a seamless look to your bathroom. Well, until next time, see you later.